Well, I think this will be the last day that I have to post a video from just sitting here at the house, and I have come outside for a little bit. I'm feeling much better today. I did go to Panera this morning, had some coffee, did a little work. I went to the grocery store today to get some groceries for my mom. And I was doing pretty good, but by the time I got home, I realized that I really needed to lay down for a little bit. And I wasn't pushing it. I wasn't trying to walk fast. I wasn't trying to like pick up a bunch of stuff. I was just taking my sweet easy time. But it wore me out, and I have a couple of other things I need to get out and do, but I don't have the wherewithal to get up and go do it. So. But in the morning, I have a doctor's appointment at 7 to get some blood work done, and then I've got to take my mom to the doctor later, and I really need to get this haircut. And you can see I did at least shave today. That tells you I feel better. Yeah, I think we're about ready to get back to some semblance of normal. We'll see where we go from there. My stomach is still not quite 100%, but it's better every day. So I've lost about 7 pounds so far, which will be short-lived, I'm sure. I'll probably put 4 of those back on tomorrow. It's not a fun way to lose weight, but in the meantime, I will take it. So yeah, we'll see where we can start going to finish out this year strong. Get some videos that are of some interesting places. I have 3 or 4 things in mind that I'd like to do, like very quickly, and it's just a matter of being able to get my body to get along with my mind. So maybe we'll see you somewhere out and about tomorrow. Thanks for watching.